Hey, my name is Ido. I'm an ML engineer at DagsHub. Today, we're going to learn how to create a DagsHub data source using the UI and using our Python client. You can find more information about everything in this video and our documentation. There's a link in the description. In this video, I'm assuming you've already uploaded your data to DagsHub or connected a bucket. If not, please check out the relevant guides. To create the data source, I'm going to head to the Dataset tab and click Add New Source. I'm going to choose the first option because I already connected the data to my repository. I'm going to choose my data folder. I'm going to name this source awesome data source. Click choose data source. And now I can see my data. I can add metadata. I can query the metadata. I can create annotations and do a lot more. To delete my data source, I'm going to head to the data sources list. Click the three dots under actions and choose delete this source. Then I can confirm and delete. That's it for creating a data source from the UI. I'm gonna open my notebook, this time using Google Colab. I'm gonna pip install DagsHub. Alright. Now I'm gonna import data sources from DagsHub.dataEngine. And I'm going to use the function create data source. I'm going to mention my full name, the full name of my repo, the name of my new data source. Let's call it awesome Python client source. And the path, which in this case is my repository bucket, which is the name of my repository, /data. I can run this command. I'm going to click this link to authorize. And that's it. Now we can head back to DagsHub, go to the data sources list, refresh, and we can see the awesome Python client data source. And one last thing, to delete the data source, I'm just gonna run ds.delete source. Click yes, and that's it. Data source is deleted. If you're interested in learning how to enrich your data source with metadata, query it and create subsets of your data, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.